Backlinks are super important in SEO. Backlinks, also known as inbound links or incoming links, are links from one website to another, and these links can be in the form of text, images, or videos. Google and other search engines use backlinks as a way to measure the popularity and authority of a website. And the more backlinks a website has, the higher it will rank in search engine results. And in simple terms, backlinks act as votes of confidence for your website. The more backlinks you have, the more credible and trustworthy your website appears in search engines. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. Backlinks from high-quality websites carry more weight than those from low-quality websites, and that's why it's important to focus on building backlinks from reputable sources. So to improve your website's SEO, make sure to focus on building high-quality backlinks, and this can be done through guest posting, creating shareable content, and networking with other websites in your industry.
Head over to localrankninja.com to become an SEO ninja today.